All right, so what you have is a charity bulk. It costs $2,100 for the banquet hall rental, plus $60 per person for food. So those are your costs, right? So let's just write out how I calculate my costs. So my costs are number of people times $60 a plate, right? And then add $2,100. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what it's saying then, if that's your cost, the revenue that we take in is $108 times my N. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we need to determine then is where these two guys are going to equal each other. Right? Because where they equal each other is where you're going to have no loss in costs and no gain in revenue. So that would be your minimum amount to break even, is when the amount of money for the tickets is equal to the amount of money it costs you to do it. So this one's a little different than the ones that we've worked at before. Okay, so you could, in theory, do it like this, where you have y equals 60n plus 2100, and y is equal to 108n, right? You could use your substitution method. So basically, you would put 108 in here for y, and then you would solve it that way. You understand what I'm doing there? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So then at that point, you're just solving for your n to find out how many tickets you're going to need to sell in order to break even on the rental. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Did you have any other questions? We're all good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's kind of bank on being done to the end of page 35. If you girls are already done 34. So let's try and work through getting done to the end of page 35 today. And your assignment, you can do that to get it handed in. Okay. I will stay on here with you for another half an hour or so, just in case you have any questions about it. And or you can head off. It's up to you, girls, what you want to do today. Do you want to work on your own, or do you want to stay online? It's up to you.